In this video, I'm making a vegan, gluten-free tofu roast. So you see the ingredients. This recipe is super simple. All I did was I started out with the tofu, left it in the package, threw it in the freezer, and then I let it thaw. I did that a couple times so that way the tofu would almost create these gaps in it and it would soak in the flavors better as it's cooking. All I'm going to do is mix the ingredients together to make a sauce and a glaze, both all in one. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to score the top of the tofu in a crosshatch. That's going to kind of open up the tofu some. It's going to create a little bit more visible appeal, but it's also going to help the flavors of that glaze and sauce soak into the tofu some. When it comes to cooking this tofu, it's super simple. Go ahead and create a bed of pineapple rings, put the tofu on top of it, brush the glaze and sauce all over the tofu, and just roast it in the oven for about 30 minutes. Take it out, re-glaze it, and then put it back in the oven and roast it, but this time increase the heat a little bit more so that way you get a little bit more browning effect on top of the tofu. When I decided to make this tofu, I wanted to create an alternative for people that are in a hurry or don't have a whole lot of time. To make something super simple but full of flavor that can still be a great substitution or alternative for all those other roasts you can find on the market or finding online. This keeps it super simple. And if you're really in crunch time, you don't have to freeze and thaw the tofu. Just take it right out and press it, right, to remove some of that liquid in there. If you don't have a tofu press, then just wrap it in some kitchen towel and get out as much of that juice as you can. And make that glaze and sauce and smother that tofu with it, cook it, and you have that together. It's great. So I really like this because you don't get a lot of tofu flavor in it, even though it is, quite frankly, a block of tofu. You get a really nice citrus. It's kind of like a citrus, tangy, autumn barbecue sauce. It's pretty fantastic. And it goes excellent with pineapple, so it'll go great on your dish for these holidays. Everyone, thank you so much for watching. Please leave me a comment for some things that you want to see me create or make, or make this yourself and tag me in it and let me know what you thought of it. Everyone, I'm your friend with Food Benefits, and I will see you again real soon with some more great recipes.